What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Will coming at you with another video. So recently I attempted to replace my valve cover and change the gasket and all of that on my 2009 BMW 335i. Now, I've done one of these before on a coupe 335i, and it had some help with it. You know, it wasn't my car and we were working on it, and it went pretty well, so I thought I could do it. And I got it off and everything went pretty smoothly till like right before the gasket came off. And then at that point, things really started going downhill. So there's 3 studs on the valve cover, and every single time that I could get one off with the deep socket, it would get stuck in the socket, and so I wouldn't be able to get it out. So I'd have to get another socket. So I wound up going through 3 different sockets to get the studs out, the 10mm studs. That was really pretty frustrating there. And I had a pretty difficult time disconnecting the 2 vacuum lines that run across it, but it wasn't anything too bad, and I got it out of the way. But when I went to pull the valve cover out, somehow it snagged on the vacuum lines and broke one of the boost canisters. That really just made a huge mess of everything, and at that point I just was like, okay, I've messed up. I can't fix this. So I texted guy Matt, who runs this shop called EuroMpire. It's in I guess it's an Indian Trailer, Monroe, North Carolina. So it's kind of far from where I live, but anyway, he does really good work. He seems to really like his job. He's a real nice guy. So, and you know, he's done good work on this car. He did my walnut blasting. That's how I found him. And so I took it over there and I was like, man, can you please help me out? And you know, he took care of me, got it on there. And the car has really been running great since then. I just took it on a road trip up to the mountains, and did the whole drive there great. The burning oil smell was really going away, but when I got to where I was going, it just started smoking off the engine, and I was really scared something was wrong, but it was just excess oil and stuff burning off, and it's stopped doing it since then. The car has been driving really well, acting well. At the same time, I did replace all 6 ignition coils and 6 spark plugs just due to the sheer amount of oil that was all over them. I did save a coil, one coil that I knew was good from cylinder 1 that didn't have any oil on it, and I'm just keeping it in the trunk just in case one fails. I won't get stranded anywhere because it's really easy to change them. So I just thought that was a good idea to do. Anyway, I'm really pleased to report that after spending a lot of money on a car that I just bought, my 2009 BMW 335 is in pretty good shape. All the crucial maintenance is done. It's not leaking. As far as I know, this car is in pretty much great condition. It's ready to be, ready to start making some power. So we're going to start working on that soon. I guess its first mod will be coming really soon. So look forward to that. I'm really excited about what this car is going to do in the future. Anyway, guys, so my point of this video was just to say that, you know, you're not necessarily like less of a car enthusiast just because, like, you know, you admit defeat and you can't work on it or something. Like, I just got in over my head and I started breaking stuff trying to mess with the valve cover, and I didn't want this job to turn into something more expensive than it had to be. So I just called the shop. That's really, there's no shame in that. And I'm just very thankful that he fixed my car and got it, you know, going a-okay. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, you know, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. I will see you guys in the next one, and we're gonna start making some power.